Dear children, today we will discuss about a poem from class 8 NCERT book. Name of the poem is The Duck and the Kangaroo. It is composed by Edward Lear. Introduction of the poem. In this poem, there is a duck who lives in a nasty pond. She thinks her life is a bore. She wants to enjoy the beautiful world outside of her pond, just like kangaroo. Now the short summary of the poem. In this poem, the duck tells the kangaroo that her life is bored in the pond and she wants to visit the beautiful world outside of this pond, but she is unable to do so because she cannot hop like kangaroo. She requested kangaroo to allow her a ride on his back. She assures him that she would not speak anything except quack. Kangaroo tells the duck to let her consider about this. Then kangaroo tells the duck that her wet and cold feet can cause him rheumatism. At this, duck sits on the rock and think about the solution of the problem. She bought 4 pairs of the woolen socks and a cloak to make herself warm. This was the solution of the problem. Finally, kangaroo agreed and tells duck to sit at the end of his tail. They hopped the whole world 3 times and felt very happy. Now we will see the literary devices used in this poem. First of all, the rhyming scheme. In stanza first, we will see the rhyming scheme, that is AB, AB, CC, AB. And in stanza 2, AB, AB, CC, BB. And in stanza 3, 4 and 5 the rhyming scheme is same, that is AB, AB, CC, DD. Some more poetic devices used in this poem are alliteration, anaphora, enjambment, refrain. As what is alliteration? When there is same consonant sound at the starting of 2 or more words, then we can say there is alliteration. What is anaphora? When 2 or more lines are starting with the same words, then we can say it is anaphora. Enjambment, when the same line is continued in 2 or more lines without any punctuation marks, then we can say there is enjambment. This is all about the poem The Duck and the Kangaroo. That's all.